To become a calligrapher, you need to join these two words like one, two. Let's start here. One word, the second word. Now fill this. It's so simple, guys. Like, it's a simple writing, neat writing, and like an artist become a calligrapher in easy way. So guys, first of all, learn the rule of cursive writing. Like, number one is sit correctly. You become sit or correct action, like you sit comfortable in your zone, like that. And second is on your paper, like left hand and right hand, and all letters stand forward. Number three, like that. Alex, I write. And number four is letters touch guideline, like up guideline and down like guideline. Letters are parallel to each other, and like that. Tall, I write, like parallel, like same gap in words. Six letters are formed correctly. Like, let's start with me, guys. So let's start learning cursive writing with me. So guys, start learning with me. Start from simple words. I write a word like a. You can draw like this. Another word B. B in, I think, two styles. Which one you like? Another one B in this style. Writer neat writing like these words. Start again. I'm practicing so much. And second step, you need two words to become one word. To become a calligrapher, you need to join these two words like one, two. Let's start here. Let's start with B. It's too easy to watch that. Make sure you practice from here. First, start writing a simple in any style, which one you like, no problem. If you not like cursive writing, you write simple like that. With pointer, any style, like copy this style. And like simple B, make them double, like you copy this word to just forward in few points, a few inches, like that. This is our calligraphy. It's so simple, guys. It's not a big deal. You can learn with me easy calligraphy, become an easy calligrapher. That's our calligraphy. Like, start with marker. Now I'm writing with marker, same style. in calligraphy this type, so cursive writing. First remember this, if you pick marker in right way you can easy write. Like lots of guys pick marker like this style, that's why they not auto good. When you pick like they can, like that, you pick marker, if you draw horizontal line it's with marker cut line. Now write when you pick a correct style of marker. So guys, hope you like that video. Next video soon, write another words and more things about that. Comment below what you like and comment below which language you want to learn from me, Hindi, English and another. So I end this video on this point. Will you meet you next video? Please like the video and make sure subscribe the channel to learn easy calligraphy. Thank you very much.